Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. Hello guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this vlog, we'll be decorating with you our Christmas tree together with the kids. So we began by getting the Christmas tree from the store. This was a previously used tree. This is what we have been having for 2 years. So the first thing is to assemble it. After assembling it, we sorted out the previous decor. You can see we preserved it so well in the box after last year's Christmas. So we had to sort it together so that we see what we have and what needed to be added. Remember, we are doing this together with the children. There were so many, we were around 6, but it was a fun activity. As you can see, they were so happy to sort the items together. For the LED star and the lights, we had to replace the batteries. So usually we prefer the one that you use the battery instead of connecting it direct to the socket. So here we were still sorting the light terms together. Then began by putting the light. Usually I would prefer putting the light as the last item, but now the kids preferred seeing the light first. So just let them have their way, and there we began. One thing you should know when you're decorating together with the kids, there'll be a lot of back and forth. They place the decors wherever they feel like should be there. But anyway, this was all about them, so you just let them be and you correct later. And then, as some are helping to put the decor, the others will be helping to remove them. So be prepared to have a bit of a rough time, but for them it was quite enjoyable. And Christmas is mostly about children, so just let them be. Finally, the tree had taken shape. It was looking all colorful, all the colors placed everywhere. Thank you very much for watching.
kindly consider subscribing, and next time try to involve the kids when decorating your tree. Bye bye, see you in the next one.